Now let us discuss about excess3 subtraction. We can perform excess3 subtraction in two ways. The first way is using 9's complement. The second way is using 10's complement. So in this video we are going to discuss about how we can perform excess3 subtraction by using with 9's complement approach. Step 1. Find the 9's complement of the subtrahend and take excess3 code of it. So let we have two numbers such as A and B. We know that here the first number is called as minuend. The second number is called as subtrahend. So first we have to calculate the 9's complement of the second number, as well as we need to take the excess3 code of the second number. Step 2. Find the excess3 code of the minuend. So now both the numbers are in excess3 notation. Step 3. Add both excess3 numbers. Step 4. If the carry is generated, add 1 to the least significant bit and the result is positive. So here, after adding those two excess3 numbers, if carry is generated, then we have to add that carry to the least significant bit and we can say that the result is a positive number. Let's see the next step. If carry is not generated, then take the 9's complement of the result and the result is a negative number. Okay. Now in both these two steps, if carry is generated or not generated, we will follow this one. If a group generates a carry, so if a group of 4 bits, if the most significant bit of the group generates a carry, then add 3 to the group, otherwise subtract 3 from the group. So if most significant bit of the group generates a carry, then we have to add 3 to the corresponding group for error correction. Otherwise, that means if the group doesn't produces any carry, then we have to subtract 3 from the group. Now let's see two examples based on carry as well as carry value is 1 as well as carry value is 0. Example 1. 687 minus 348. So 17 minus 8 means 9. Next, this will become 7. 7 minus 4 means 3. 6 minus 3 means 3. Now let us do the subtraction with the help of the 9's complement. So step 1 is first we have to find the 9's complement of the second number. So the 9's complement of here, what is the second number? 348. So 9's complement means we have to do subtraction with 9. So 999 minus 348 is 9 minus 8 1, 9 minus 4 5, 9 minus 3 6. Next we have to represent this number in excess3 notation. So the excess3 code here is, excess3 means we have to add 3 to it. So 651. So we have to add 3 to it. 1 plus 3 4. Add 3 to it. 5 plus 3 8. 6 plus 3 9. 6 plus 3 9. 5 plus 3 8. 1 plus 3 4. Next, this is step 1. Step 2. Find excess3 of minuend. Excess3 of 687. So you add 3 to it. 6 plus 3 9. 8 plus 3 11. 7 plus 3 10. Step 3. Perform the addition. So here what is the first number? Here the first number is 687 in excess3 notation is 9 11 10. So how we can represent 9 using 8421 notation? 1001. 11 means 1011. Next 10 1010. Next 348 XS3 notation is 984. So 9 1001, 8 1300, 4 0100, 0100. Next, do the addition operation. 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1. Next, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 1 0 with a carry 1, 111 11, 1 0, 1 plus 1 0 with a carry 1. Here the carry value is 0. If the carry is generated, then we can say that we need to add this carry to the LSB as well as the result is a positive number. So you add 1 to the LSB. So then we will get all ones. Here 0 0 1 1. Here 0 0 1 1. Next, if a group generates a carry, then we have to add 3 to the group. Suppose if a group doesn't generate a carry, then we have to subtract 0 from the group. So if you see this group doesn't generate any carry. So this group means if the most significant bit of the group generates a carry, this group doesn't generate a carry, so we have to subtract 3 from it. Whereas if you take this one, so this group generates this carry. So here how we got this carry? By adding 1 plus 1. So that means this group generated the carry. The most significant bit of the group generated the carry. If a group generated the carry, then we have to add 3 to it. Next, this group also generated the carry. So we have to add 3 to it. We have to add 3 to it. Okay. So we have to perform here we need to perform the addition operation. So here this is 3, this is 3. So directly also you can write the result. So 3 plus 3 means, so this is what? 3, this is 3. 3 plus 3 means 6. Next, this is 3, this is 3. 3 plus 3 means 6. This is 15 and this is 12. 15 minus 3 means 12. 15 minus 3 means 12. But here the result is in XS3 notation. Okay. So in order to get the corresponding decimal number, we have to subtract with 3. So 6, 6, 12. So subtract with 3. Why? Because here the result is in XS3 notation. So 6 minus 3 means, here what is the result? 6. 6 minus 3 means 3 only. 6 minus 3, 3. 12 minus 3, 9. So 339 is the result. So 339. That is correct only. Now let's see one more example without any carry. Now let's see the second example. 246 minus 592. Here the biggest number is 592. So subtract 246 from 592. So 12 minus 6 means 6. Next, this will become 8. 8 minus 4 means 4. 5 minus 2 means 3. Here the biggest number has the sign minus. So minus 346 is the result. Now let us see with the help of this approach. So step 1, find the 9's complement of the second number, that is 592. So 999 minus 592 means 9 minus 2 7, 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 5 4. Now next step, we have to take XS3 code of this one. So XS3 code for this number is, so what is the number? 407. So XS3 code means add 3 to it. 4 plus 3 7, 0 plus 3 3, 7 plus 3 10. Next, step 2, find XS3 code of the first number. So what is the first number? 246. So XS3 code means we have to add 3 to it. So 2 plus 3, 5, 4 plus 3, 7, 6 plus 3, 9. So 5, 4 plus 3, 7, 6 plus 3, 9. Next is step 3, add both the numbers. So what is the minute n number? So we need to represent in 4 to 1 notation. So 5 means 0 1 0 1, 7 0 1 9 1 0 0 1. Next, second number 7 3 10. So 7 0 1 1, 3, 0, 0, 1, 1, 10, 1, 0, 1, 0. Let us do the addition operation. 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 1, 0 with a carry 1, 111, 1, 1, 111, 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 0 with a carry 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 0 with a carry 1, 1 plus 1, 0 with a carry 1, 111, 1, 1. So here the carry value, the end around carry value is 0. Here the carry is not generated. If the carry is not generated, if carry value is 0, then we can say that the result is a negative number and we need to calculate 9's complement of the result. So let us observe the group now. This group doesn't generate any carry. If a group doesn't generate any carry, then we have to do subtraction with 3. Whereas if you take this group, this group also doesn't generate carry. So we have to subtract 3 from it. This group also doesn't generate any carry. So we have to subtract 3 from it. If a group generates a carry, then you add, if you take this one, so 1 plus 1 means 0 with a carry 1. This group generated the carry. So we have to add 3 to it. Whereas this group doesn't generate the carry, this group doesn't generate the carry. If the most significant bit of a group generates a carry, then you add 3 to it. If most significant bit of a group doesn't generate the carry, then subtract 3 from it. So directly do the subtraction. So here 3 plus 3 means 6. Here 8 plus 4, 2, 8 plus 2 plus 1, 11. 11 minus 3 means 8. 11 minus 3 means 8. Next this one, 8 plus 4, 12. So 12 minus 3 means 9. Here the result is in XS3 notation. So in order to get the corresponding decimal number, we have to subtract 3 from it. So subtract 3 from it. So 9 minus 3 means 6. 8 minus 3, 5. 6 minus 3, 9. Next, here if the result doesn't generate the carry, then we can say that the result is a negative number. So we need to take the 9's complement of the result. So 9's complement of this result means subtract 9 from it. So 999 minus 659. So 9 minus 0 means 9 minus 9 means 0. 9 minus 5 means 4. 6 minus 3. What is 6 minus 3? 6 minus 3 means 5. 9 minus 3, 6. 8 minus 3, 5. Next to 6 minus 3 means 3. 6, 5, 3. So 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 6 means 3. So 346 is the result. Here it is a negative number. So put minus symbol. So minus 346. Minus 346 is the result. So in this way we can solve any problem very easily. Please like the video. Subscribe to the channel as well as share the channel with your friends. Thanks for watching.